Hey, what's up, everybody? Jason and Jeb here. We are at Erawan.
Erawan Waterfall.
Big, beautiful waterfall. You can see in the background here behind us. A really hot day, so we've got the fan out, just trying to keep ourselves cool. And but you can see this waterfall and people down in the water swimming. And I'm sure the other side is where people are hiking up the mountain. There's 7 levels here. We're on level 2 right now, and you can see people going up to level 3. So definitely a place to come after you've been hiking, to refresh yourself and get in a little water action here. So we're just having a good time here, and we will see you guys in the next video with the Chang, with the elephants. Bye bye for now.
Bye.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Jason and Jeb here. We are at the River Kwai. River Kwai in.
สะพานข้ามแม่น้ำแควค่ะ
You heard it right there. In Kanchanaburi province in Thailand. We actually just saw a train come through this bridge. It was really cool. I'll give you guys a little bit of view of this bridge. Right on the river. You can see a boating area over here. Kayaking. Restaurants and hotels behind. Music. Mountain area. Really just a whole bunch of different activities you could do in this area, but that train was really cool. We're gonna connect part of that video for you guys too. And then where are we going tomorrow, Jeb?
น้ำตกเอราวัณ Waterfall ค่ะ
So yes, we're gonna visit the waterfall, and we're gonna look at some elephants, also some Chang. Yep, can't wait to go there tomorrow, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.